there's a lot of people watching. Super cute my attire, guys. I'm super cute. Ang kulit, guys, na hoodie. Oo. Thanks so much. We are just wearing the hoodie. And thank you so much to my ate talaga. Ayan. My ate. May sponsor for all of my dress. Sana all. This is. I love it. I like this hoodie. White hoodie. White hoodie. Para ako tuloy, para akong cook. Para akong cook. White hoodie, guys. Thank you so much, Ana all. Ayan. Please like and share. Subscribe to my channel talaga. Pagod si Queen. Oo. Ito, sana. Thank you so much pala for all the support of course, our friends in YT for my birthday event last week. I'm really happy and really touched. Especially to my King Pogi Kid Jenkins. Thank you, ga. Sana all. Ramram G ilaga. Ramram G. Thank you to my King Pogi Kid Jenkins talaga for all the love and support always. And for the blessings talaga. Ayan. Thank you, God, for everything. I love you always. Sana all. Making Pogi is falling. It's falling, guys. Parang sagwa. Alisin ko na yung hoodie ko. Alisin ko yung hoodie ko, guys. I'm gonna remove my hoodie. Init na. Oo. Bakit kaya ganun? Ang hina ng connection. Ito siguro are you there? Thank you everybody for all your support. Sana all. Ayan. Please like and share my life. I'm here, Ella Queen, walking with my super cute attire. Please check also my shorts video, my videos for my birthday. Short video. Yeah, this is just a quick live. But I'm happy because a lot of people are watching now. Thank you. Sana all. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Ayan. Siguro yan nila nung naka-mask. O sige, I'm gonna remove my mask. But I can't talaga. Pagod si Queen kasi. Ayan. Pero sa jeep, I have to wear my mask. Sa jeep, guys. Oo, kasi a lot of people talaga sa jeep. So, I have to wear my mask later. But, maybe I'm gonna do like 30 minutes lang. I'm not doing so 1 hour live because I have to make a short video na lang for the meantime. Yeah. Or if have time, like screencast tomorrow. But right now, just oh no, what happened? May baon. Pagod si Queen. Dito na lang ako. What time na? Dito na lang ako. Baka I'll have to go pa sa landmark. Super init na. It's hot na ga. Wait, I have to ayusin ko na yung payong ko. Thank you. I have 6 million talaga. Wait. Are you there? Sana all. Wait, ayusin ko yung payong ko. Ang hirap kasi na i-close. Nakakaiyak yung payong ko talaga. Hindi na naman siya